November 11th, clients are doing good. Hey, what's going on, guys? Tucker Ferwerda here. So I know that there's been a lot of people who have actually joined and subscribed to my YouTube channel here during the past few days, like a few weeks or whatever. So anyway, I just wanted to basically say hi and introduce myself. Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog, and welcome to another day in the life of a digital marketer and how basically you can actually learn how to do the same stuff yourself. So what I wanted to do next is actually just kind of take you to my computer for a bit and actually just go through a presentation of just different things that I do to get paid, a lot of the different skills, a lot of the different things that I actually do behind the scenes when I grow my clients' businesses. I'm going to just address them just briefly to not go too much into the weeds and to make it as clear and understandable as possible. So real quick, I'm just gonna hop over to my computer. You'll basically just see me, my screen, the slideshow, and I'll basically just talk about all of the different skills and services that I provide to make $10,000 to $20,000 per month. Alrighty guys, so Tucker Ferwerda here. I am very excited to actually bring you behind the scenes of the 5 skill sets that I've just been learning during the past 6 months that do and currently make me $10,000 to $20,000 per month. So I just want to dive into this. I've been getting a lot of feedback on my YouTube channel, my TikTok, literally everywhere. So I just wanted to kind of do this small mini training and just give you a bird's eye view of what I've been up to during the past 6 years when it comes down to making money online for myself, making money online for my clients, etc., and basically just growing my own digital marketing Facebook advertising agency. Okay, so as you can see here, these are my top favorite side hustles that help me make 10 to 20 grand per month. And I'm going to go in them. I'm going to go through them in depth. I'm going to show you the easiest ones first up to the hardest one. Okay, so again, my name is Tucker Ferwerda. I'm the oldest of 8 kids. I'm married with 2 kids. My oldest is Bobby, she's 3, and then my youngest is Owen, he's 1. So I love to travel and I love toys. Like I love cars, I love boats, I love 4-wheelers. I love all just the big toys that you can go ahead and like play with. I love playing guitar. I've been playing the guitar since I was like a super young kid, like teens. And then I love woodworking. Like I do a lot of pens and like ceramics as well. I just love doing things. I love, just different skills and just different abilities and just whatever I want to do whenever I want to do. So I've been doing digital marketing for 6 years at the current time of this recording. So depending on whenever you're watching this video, obviously more time has probably lapsed forward. But anyway, I've put over $1 million into the pockets of my clients. Like a lot of people, they're like, oh, this stuff doesn't work, or digital marketing is a scam, or, oh, you might be making money in your own digital marketing agency, but let's see the results of your clients, okay? So I'm going to be showing you some results actually tonight or today with this video. And in the process of helping my clients make over $1 million collectively, I've put 300 to 400 grand in my pocket, and that's really only happened during the past several years, okay? So anyway, I've been learning for a very long time, and then one year I just clicked on how much money I was able to make, and again, more importantly, how much money I was able to make my clients, okay? So here are my skill sets, but before we actually go into those skill sets, okay, I'm going to talk to you just a little bit, and just help you expand your mind and expand the way you think, because once you can think bigger, your actions will be bigger, and then you'll actually get bigger results for either yourself or your clients. So if you're wanting to make $1,000 a month, you need to want to make $10,000 per month. If you want to make $10,000 per month, you need to think in your mind, I want to make $100,000 per month. Okay, so it's just the bigger you think, the more you will be able to obviously make for both yourself and your clients. Okay, so the quickest way to make $10,000 in 1 month is not affiliate marketing. It is not e-commerce. It is not anything that anybody has ever taught you. The fastest and quickest way to make $10,000 per month is by learning skills, is to sell skills. It's not affiliate marketing. Again, it's not an e-commerce. It's by selling services. The quickest way to make $10,000 per month, even an extra $1,000 per month, is to learn skills and sell skills, is to sell services, basically to give up your time in exchange for cash. Let me just explain a little bit of why affiliate marketing is not a good fit when it comes down to making $10,000 per month. If you want to make $10,000 per month quick, you have to learn, let's just say you were to pursue the affiliate marketing route, and you wanted to put $10,000 in your pocket. Actually, let's bring it lower. Let's just say you wanted to make $1,500 by next month, and you're just brand new starting. That means you need to find a product, you need to learn how to sell that product, you need to learn social media, you need to pick a social media platform, you need to push that social media platform hard, you need to understand how that social media platform works. You either need to learn Facebook ads or Google ads or YouTube ads. You need to learn how YouTube, like how to rank videos, you need to learn how to rank your Instagram posts. Like, just because you go and you do affiliate marketing, and you go and learn, like, doesn't mean you'll actually make a lot of money, and you're typically only going to focus on lower ticket products. Now, you can actually go and do, high ticket affiliate products, but you still have to learn to market. You still have to learn the skills on how to promote affiliate products, okay? So there are tons of affiliate products out there. There's ClickBank, JVZoo, a lot of recurring products, and I am actually, at the time of recording this video, I'm making about $1,000 per month passively with affiliate programs that actually that I promote that are recurring, which means they bill on a monthly basis as long as your account is active. But affiliate marketing is extremely hard, because let's just give the following scenario. Let's just say you needed to make $1,500 by next month because you had rent to pay, because you owe someone money, because your car breaks down, whatever it is. Let's just say you needed to make $1,500 in 1 month, okay? Let's bring that into perspective. Let's just say you were selling a $100 affiliate program, and that affiliate program was paying you 50% commission. So let's just say with every sale you get, it's $100, but then you receive 50% of the commissions, which is $50. So let's just say you had to make $1,500 by next month. You had 30 days to actually make $1,500. You have to sell 30 $100 products to make $1,500 in your pocket, okay? Now, can you actually go and get 30 sales in 1 month? That's up to you. That depends on your hustle. That depends on how hard you work. That depends on a bunch of different things, right? But if you needed to make $1,500 by next month because of something dramatic, because of something drastic, because something happened in your life and you need to make money quick, affiliate marketing is not the way. Where if you were to sell services, you can learn those same exact skills that you're trying to learn to promote affiliate marketing and make that passive income. You can take those same skills, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook ads, Facebook groups, whatever the skill set that you're learning currently, you can go and you can make $1,500 by selling one client. That's it, just one client. One client will make you $1,500 in 30 days. That's it. In 30 days, you can make $1,500. And you don't have to go, you can leverage those same exact skills, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, whatever it is that you're learning at that time, blogging, SEO, whatever, right? I'm actually going to show a lot of my skill sets here in a bit that I use to do this kind of stuff. But again, if you need to make money quick, you can sell 10 $1,000 clients per month. Boom, you've made 10 grand a month. You can sell 5 $2 grand per month clients. That's 10 grand a month. You can sell 3 $3,500 per month for 3 clients, and you're now making more than $10,000 per month with 3 clients, just 3 people. Okay, that's it. And you can easily scale to $10,000 per month. Let's just say e-commerce. Now, e-commerce is not the way. One of the easiest ways to actually make money online is by selling services and giving up your time for cash. That's it. It's not e-commerce either, because you have to worry about management, you have to worry about fulfillment, you have to worry about shipping, you have to worry about profit margins. If e-commerce is just the same as affiliate marketing, because you're only receiving a part of the sale. Let's just say you're still making 70% commissions. Okay, that's awesome, but you're still only making 70%, right? Or let's just say, affiliate marketing, let's just say, you sell $100 and it's 70% commission, you're still only making $70 if you sell that $100 product. But selling services, you get 100% commission, which means that one sale goes directly to your pocket. The only thing you're giving up is your time. Now, if you have more time than you have money, then you should be learning these skills. If you have more money than you have time, then you should be having other people apply these skills to your business, okay? So this is why selling services is one of the best ways to actually make money online, because all you're doing is you're learning skills, you're providing services, and you're getting paid the full 100% of the sale that your clients are paying you for, okay? So as I like to say, learn a skill, sell a skill, get results, sell results. That's how it comes to this type of business. You want to learn a skill to pay your bills. That's That's basically a saying that I come up with on my TikTok live videos. It's just been awesome. Like, people have loved that, and so I just wanted to throw that on here. You want to so you can learn these skills. You can learn these platforms, right? Whether it's social media, whether it's whatever it is. I'm going to talk all about them here in just a sec. But you can learn these services and either do it for yourself, for your own business, like for your products or services or coaching or whatever, or you can do it for other people and still get paid. Okay, that's the beauty of learning these skills, learning these services, and all of these services and skills. For me, all of my top 5 favorite are always related to digital marketing, because you have to learn how to sell. Like, you have to learn how to sell online. You might as well learn how all of these different platforms work so that you can actually make money for yourself or make money for clients and still get paid no matter what you do. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into them. And the first one is social media management. You can make right now, there are so many people right now who need help just posting. They need help pushing content. They need help creating content. Let's just say you don't know how to write or you don't know how to create content. There are tons of software out there that you can actually use to actually create content. You don't, everything that you think of, or every objection that you have when it comes down to, oh, I don't have experience, or oh, I don't have skills, you can basically find different apps. Like, there's an app for that. There's an app for things out there that helps you do the things that you're trying to do. So everyone and their dog is literally on social media. What you're on social media right now by watching this video. Pay attention to the skills that you have and the platforms that you're on when it comes down to social media. And you yourself actually know way more than people out there who are looking for help with TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. Pay attention to the platforms that you spend the most time on. I guarantee you've found how the platform works, and I guarantee you've understood how that platform works by just paying attention and being aware of that system. Pay attention to how things are working on these social media platforms, and you yourself can actually go and you can actually get clients to pay you to manage their social media. Okay, there are billions of active people every single month on social media, and most people only know how to consume content instead of produce content. But when you're actually a content producer and you know how to produce content on social media that actually makes money and helps your clients make money, etc., you can do wonders in your life, your business, etc. Okay, that's where it gets pretty cool. So if you learn how to make money on social media, you'll make a ton of money and you'll help your clients make a ton of money. And then you can sell that skill as a service. Okay, so all 3 of these, actually, what is that, 6? All 6 of these platforms I have made money on. I've only been promoting on TikTok for the past, I started about 2 months ago, then I took a month off, and I really wish I didn't. But I've made, I made my first $1,100 in about a week and a half on TikTok, okay? And it's pretty cool. So anyway, I've made money on Facebook, on my Facebook profile, Facebook groups. I've made money on Instagram. I've made money on YouTube. I've made money on LinkedIn and on Pinterest. My wife actually is a blogger, and she's really good at Pinterest. And then we've made money on TikTok. So once you learn a social media skill set for yourself, you can also get others to pay you for that as well, because you simply know more than they do, okay? So that's number 1. You can go in right now and go get clients to pay you $10, $15, $25 an hour to help them manage their content on social media. And basically that just means you're helping them post. But if you know how to post and when to post and strategies to actually manage social media the right way that actually generates revenue for clients, people will be hitting you up every single day. Like, that's just how it works, okay? So one of my clients, Dan, he's an amazing dude. He's awesome, and I've been with him for now 3 years. Actually, correct that. We just started our 3rd year, and he's an awesome guy. Like, he's one of my favorite people. At the time of this video, I actually grabbed it from one of my other presentations, slapped it on here. But as of today, so November 14th, he needs $5,000 to actually make $400,000 in sales. And most of this money has actually come from his Facebook profile, okay? So helping him manage his Facebook profile and coming from Facebook groups. We actually have, he has now a group of 2,000 members, and I help him make money with his Facebook groups. Like, that's literally how he launched his business, was just on his Facebook profile by writing the right types of posts and on his Facebook group. And you can find one of my videos on this YouTube channel. You can go ahead and find one of my videos that explains how to actually make money with Facebook groups, Facebook groups, okay? So that's how we have done it. So again, at the time of this screenshot, it was $318,000. Today's date, this bottom right screenshot is today's date, November 14th, almost $400,000 by, again, his Facebook profile and Facebook groups. Now we have done a lot through like Facebook ads. We have done a lot through like YouTube, for example. But most of this, the majority, has just come from his Facebook group and his Facebook profile.